I want to show you how to use the in-transit transfer transaction in Dynamics GP inventory. I'm also going to use the Willoware Kit Transaction add-in to make it a little easier to transfer components of a kit. So let's get started. The first thing we want to do is go to the inventory area page. I'm going to click on the in-transit transfer entry under the transactions window. It opens up this screen. Let's click on new and we'll create a new transaction. I'm going to transfer items, components of a particular kit from my main warehouse to a warehouse I have in Chicago. Now to make things a lot easier, I'm going to use the Willoware Kit Transactions add-in. It's going to add all the components from a particular kit. I'll select the quantity of those components and hit transfer. Now this is a pretty large kit, so it's going to take a while to transfer all these items into my transaction here, but let's take a look at it when it's done. So here's my transfer transaction with all the components from that kit and the corresponding quantities. I've got several dozen components on here, so this makes it a lot easier to create this transaction. Now let's go ahead and ship this to my other warehouse, and to do that I'm going to click on the ship button. This allows me to automatically print out a pick list. Here's the pick list. Also in my system, I have it set up to automatically assign lot numbers to a transaction based on the receipt date. The earlier receipt dates come first. So for example, if I look at this particular item, look at the serial lot number, it has already selected the lot number for this particular transaction, again based on the receipt date. So this transaction is all ready to go. It's been completed. I clicked on the ship button. It transferred all the inventory items from the warehouse to the location in Chicago, and because I did not use a via site ID, I only have to do this one transaction. And that's it. This allows you to easily do a transaction, allows you to use the Willoware Kit Transaction add-in to add all the items to that transaction, and also provides a pick list automatically from the transaction.